Hello guys, here is another project that I'll be onboarding you to, which is called the EDGEX, and this project has just been started, and this is another AI project, and it's going to be listing on this Q4. We are right on the Q4 October, so you should be expecting your listing right within this month Q4. All right, so what we are basically doing here in this project is we are just basically checking in, and we are also chatting with AI. All right, we'll be chatting with AI and also be checking in daily. Then at the end of this project that will soon be launched, we are gonna be rewarded with airdrops. So any points that we've generated right here in this project is gonna be converted to the real token, the real HS token. Currently, you can see there is about 1 billion total supply of this token, and the team has decided to give out 15% of this token to the community. So this is a project that you should not be missing. You should ensure that you take this project very, very serious. If you are into the crypto space, this is another project that you should be taking very, very serious. Currently, there's a whole lot of partnerships, and there is a whole lot of investment that has just been added into this project, and you can check the seed fund and the investors from CryptoRank. All right, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video regarding the update and listing of this project, you're gonna be updated on time. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you will be doing is to click on the link right at the video description. All right, if you are new to the app, just go ahead and click on the link that I'll be dropping right at the bottom of this video. When you click on it, it will take you to Play Store where you go and download the app. All right, well, this is the app that we are going to be downloading, so you click on it and you download it directly from Play Store. You can use the Apple. I'll also be dropping the link for the iOS users. All right, so in this video I'll be using only my Android phone. I'm using the Android version of this. All right, and also in my iPhone I'll also be doing the airdrop also in my iPhone. All right, so what you have to do is to ensure that if you are using the same you should be using different emails or different details in your Android and another different details in your iPhone. All right, don't use one email in both phones so that you don't have issues regarding when the distribution of this project is going to be conducting, so that I won't have issues with that. All right, so ensure if you are doing this, your network is very, very stable. Okay, so I have just downloaded the app right now, so I'll just click on this open, and you open it. Go ahead and click on continue with your if you've created an account before, you just go ahead and click and log in. But if you haven't created an account before, or if you are just watching this video for the first time, go over the video description like I said and copy the link, join the project and use the referral code and log in. Okay, so I'll just come over here and click on this continue, since I want to be creating a new account. So I'll click on that continue with Google. So here's the section where you can now go ahead and paste that referral code that I told you about. You just come here and paste it right here. Paste the referral code. After pasting the referral code, you click on submit. Okay, and after clicking on submit, you wait for your wallet to be created. Okay, now good, my wallet has just been created. You can see congratulations, your account and wallet has been created. Now we have to explore, so we just go ahead and click on enjoy EDGEX right here. We'll click on that, enjoy EDGEX. So congratulations, your account has just been created. So in order to add more security to it, go ahead and enable your auto bio authentication. We'll click on it. If you can also do that later, but just click on it. You toggle this on, toggle that button on to the right. Okay, so what I'm saying is you have to toggle this on to the right. Okay, now to toggle that on, you have to go over to your email and go and copy a code that was sent. There was a code that was sent to your email. Just go and copy it and come back here and paste that code that was sent right here so that I can enable that security feature. Okay, it's very important that you click on that enable security feature, all right, so that your account can be fully secured. So go to your email and copy that code that was sent. So here is the code. You tap on it. You tap on it, and then you scroll down. Here's the code 0844. Let's scroll back. 0844. So tap 0844 right here. Zero 0844. All right, we now add, it will demand that you tap to verify your fingerprint. Go ahead and tap it and verify your fingerprint. Okay, you can see that it has been toggled to the right. Okay, your account is now fully protected. All right, so we just go ahead and click on this sign over here to take you back to where you can go and start doing the project. Okay, so here is the project. Here is the interface. Congratulations, you have just successfully signed in. So I'm going to be showing you how to do the task. All right, stay tuned. In order for you to start the mining process, you have to come over here and click on this chat with AI. When you click on it, you select the language. You click on while, click on this button, this allow HS to record audio. You click on allow. Then after clicking on that allow, now you now come here and select English or your preferred language. Okay, then after selecting your preferred language, you can now start the process. You just press the button and speak. All right, you just have to press this button over here and speak to the button. Okay, that's how you accumulate points. So you just hold it, just hold. All right, all right, you can now see here now that I have just spoken to the AI. You can see I have spoken to the AI right here. Okay, so you go ahead and click on this. If you've done that, spoken to it. So the more you speak to it, the more you're accumulating more points. All right, the more you speak to it, the more you are accumulating more points. Okay, so that's how you do that. You do task on this. It's all about interacting. You keep interacting with it. Okay, now based on today's answer, I have answered up to, I've spoken to the AI about 1 out of 10. We are meant to speak to this AI up to 5 times in a day. So I have done 1, remaining 5 more. Now, in order to recap what I just said for a clear understanding, pay attention one more time. the first thing you have to do is to immediately log into the app. You just head over here. Do your daily task. Number one, you head over here and do your daily task. When you click on there, you can now do your daily task. Like I have logged in today, I've checked in today, I've claimed 10. All right. Tomorrow I'll check in again and claim another 10. All right. So that's how you do this daily task. Okay. So as soon as you log in there every day, you claim, you do your daily claim. Okay. Now the next step is to come over here and chat with the AI. This is how you chat with the AI. You come over here and click on this drop talk. This drop talk is made to be done 5 times daily. Okay. I guess it's around 5 times in 5 hours. But I have done this. This project just started yesterday, so I have done this 5 times yesterday. Okay, but you can still check in after every 5 hours to know if you can still do it. Okay, you can see here is 0/5. I'm not done for today, so I'm going to do it again for today. All right, so I'll just click here and do it. So I'll click. After clicking on there, I am meant to chat with the AI. Now, how do you chat? I said that what you are going to be doing is to hold this button and talk to the app. Okay, immediately you hold this button and talk to the app. It's a sign button, a good button. After talking to the app, a good button is going to pop up right here. Okay, you click on that good button. After clicking on that good button, you can now submit the response or the chat that you have chatted with the AI, and then you go over and click on cancel, and the recorded audio that you made or voice note that you made will be saved automatically. All right, so you just do that 5 times consecutively. Okay, for example, I'll hold on it. As soon as you are done interacting with the AI, just go ahead and click on that good sign. You click on it, and then after clicking on that good sign, fine, you can now go over here and click on, this button right here. You can now click on this button right here to exit. Okay, so as soon as you click on this button again to exit, the point is automatically done. The activity is automatically recorded. All right, so after clicking on that sign, it will now pop up this. What I'm saying is that after clicking on this sign, it will now pop up right this. Okay, whenever it pops up this, just go ahead and click on this OK. After clicking on this OK, then the point now will be automatically added. Okay, you can now go back and see that you've done the first one. So right here you can see it's showing 5/5. You can see here it is showing 5/5. That means that I have completed 5 consecutive recording. I have chatted 5 consecutive times with the AI. So that is how you do this particular task right here. That's a step-by-step guide on how to farm this project accurately. Ensure you take this project very, very serious. If you want to be bagging more USDT in this Q4, if you want to be bagging more USDT in this Q4, ensure you take part in this airdrop that is going to be paying people. Remember, this is an AI project, and we do not joke with projects that are solely based on AI, because the AI project that listed in the past paid very well, and this is one of the projects that you shouldn't be missing for any reason. So ensure you hit the subscribe button and stay connected, so that whenever I drop a new video, I'm going to be updated. And do your best to join the WhatsApp and Telegram group, so that you always be updated in this project listing, when the project is going to be listing, and other future updates. So without further ado, see you in the next video.